Hello, this is Anthony from mytaphandle.com, and today I'm not going to talk about tap handles, I'm not going to talk about beer, I'm going to talk about a great new toy that I just got. It's called a GoSun Sport Solar Stove. And we're going to take a brief unboxing and we're going to try it out for the first time. So let's go take a look. Thank you for watching this video. To say that I was impressed with the GoSun Sport Solar Stove is an understatement. I really enjoy using this product. In fact, I'm going to try some more advanced recipes, and if they do well, I'll post some videos about that. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks again for watching.